campaign trail, and that trail cuts right through Georgia this week with back-to-back visits from candidates. Earlier this week, Republican vice presidential nominee J.D. Vance spoke in Cobb County, and this afternoon, Vice President Kamala Harris was in town for a campaign event at the Cobb Energy Center Performing Arts Center.
The Democratic presidential candidate focused on abortion rights during today's appearance. Fox 5's Deidre Dukes covered today's event, and Deidre, VP Harris' appearance comes as Georgia's abortion law is in the spotlight.
That's right. VP Harris calling it a fight for the future, a fight for freedom, the freedom for women to decide what happens to their bodies and not have government make decisions for them. Now, she spoke before about 300 supporters here in Cobb this afternoon. She traveled here to the metro area to discuss the fight for reproductive rights and what she calls the Trump abortion ban. She had a lot to say as to what she says injustices that are being carried out. Harris telling voters that former President Trump is responsible for the overturning of Roe v. Wade and for staunch anti-abortion laws in Georgia and other states after Supreme Court justices Trump appointed voted with the majority to overturn Roe, ending women's constitutional rights to an abortion. Now, VP Harris promises to work to restore women's reproductive rights if elected. Georgia's own heartbeat abortion bill is in the national spotlight after a news organization reported on 2 Georgia women who died after the state's abortion ban was enacted in 2019. Now, Harris says since Roe was overturned, every time a reproductive freedom bill is on the ballot, voters have voted for reproductive rights by overwhelming margins.
This is a health care crisis, and Donald Trump is the architect of this crisis. He brags about overturning Roe v. Wade. In his own words, quote, "I did it and I'm proud to have done it," he says. He is proud that women are dying, proud that doctors and nurses could be thrown in prison for administering care, proud that young women today have fewer rights than their mothers and grandmothers. How dare he?
Harris insisting that this is not a partisan issue, urging voters, her supporters today to vote like your lives depend on it, because she says they do. Reporting live in Cobb County, Deidre Dukes, Fox 5 News.
Right, Deidre, thanks.